Welcome to my channel.
OXO designs various non-toxic kettles, including electric glass kettles. They use BPA-free borosilicate glass with an insulated silicone base. This electric kettle boils water quickly with auto shut-off, so you can heat your water without worry. Plus, you can adjust the temperature to serve your tea exactly how you like it. For those who prefer stovetop kettles, OXO has a beautiful stainless steel kettle with a heat-resistant cork handle. OXO is also a 1% for the planet partner. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links. Thanks for watching.